Hello everyone. Hi guys. అందరు రండి. మనం ఈరోజు మై స్క్వేల్ చూద్దాం. ఆల్రెడీ నేను ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో జావా అని చెప్పేసాను కాబట్టి నా వీ కెన్ డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ మై సీక్వెల్. One minute guys. I'm coming. One minute guys. I'm coming. One minute. I'm coming. ఈరోజు మనం మైఎస్క్యూఎల్ గురించి తెలుసుకున్నాము. మైఎస్క్యూఎల్ గురించి ఫైన్. ఇంకా స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. ఫైన్. ఓకే, ఇంకా స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాము. ఈరోజు మనం మైస్క్యూఎల్ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాము. ఓకే, లైక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ పర్పస్కి మైస్క్యూఎల్ ఎలా అడుగుతారు ఏంటి అని చూద్దాము. ఒకసారి మైస్క్యూఎల్ మొత్తం ఇప్పుడు స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేసేస్తాను. షేరింగ్ స్క్రీన్. ఓకే, యా ఫైన్, కంప్లీటెడ్. Yeah, I was coming. Yeah, I was working correctly. Okay then. Yeah, it's working. Now we can say MySQL is used రిలేషనల్ డేటాబేస్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ సిస్టమ్. ఇప్పుడు మనము మనం నార్మల్గా అసలు డేటాబేస్ అంటే ఏంటి, డేటాబేస్ ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తారంటే డేటాబేస్ అనేది ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ సాఫ్ట్వేర్. లైక్ వాట్ ఈస్ ఎ డేటాబేస్ అంటే మనం ఏం చెప్పాలంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ దట్ వర్క్స్ రిలేషన్ బిట్వీన్ యూజర్ and the software. It is a software like DBMS ki and this machine, like DBMS is a software that can relation between the database management system and the user. The connection we can use for managing, retrieval, add and remove and secure and retrieve the data. For that we can use the database management system, and we can use for database management system. And it is used for security and for retrieving the old data and so on like that. And మనం డేటాబేస్ ఎందుకంటే లైక్ we can store for the large amount of data, for the security, for efficient, for getting more speed data, సో ఆన్ లైక్ దిస్. అండ్ మన MySQL అంటే ఇదేంటంటే లైక్ టూ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ డేటా టైప్స్, డేటాబేస్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ సిస్టమ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. దోస్ ఆర్ లైక్ SQL database and NoSQL database. SQL database means that will be structured database like MySQL, RDBMS, relational database management system. And second one is NoSQL. Those are like MongoDB, GraphQL and so on like that. In this having MySQL and Oracle, so these relational database is structured as a table format, rows and columns, and the NoDBMS MySQL that can store data in Python dictionary, JSON objects format, like key value pair. As like that, it can store the data values, and this MySQL is used for most of the people in companies. Mostly you can use it. Is open source, and it is widely used for relational database management system. Like we can tell like this, and in this having some queries, like I can show you. 1 minute. I can screen open something. Something. Yeah, now I share my screen. Now I'm sharing my screen. We can see in this. In this having like divided into four parts. They are like DDL, DML, DCL, and TCL. DDL is data definition language. In this having select, update, uh, truncate, drop. And is having like data definition, like creating the element, altering, deleting, truncate. These are the four elements that having in DDL, data definition language, having create, alter, truncate, and drop. These four keywords are having in this commands are having in this data definition language. Those are like like interviews will ask like what are the like, commands are having in DDL, DML, DCL, like that. We can say first is the DDL, data definition language, that having create, alter, drop, and delete. Sorry, create, alter, drop, and truncate. These four are having in data definition language. And coming to the data manipulation language, the second one, it having like select, update, delete, and insert. These four are having in manipulation language. And third one is data control language. Means it having grant and review. Grant means we can accessing, like we can giving the access to the users. Revoke means we can remove the access for the users. And the third one is fourth one is TCL, transactional control language. In this having three, the commit, rollback, and save point. And coming to this, we having in database also having some database data types are like they can ask like, is there any data types in the they can ask, is there any data types in the MySQL? Yes, they're having like integer, varchar, char, decimal, date, time, and so on like this. Have we can see in this, they're having some of the data types. And we can coming to the constraints. Now we can go with MySQL. We're coming to the constraints. Now we can go start with these commands, like first database creation. After that we can go to the SQL commands. For creating the he can ask like how to create a database. Now we can simply say by using create database and database name semicolon. By using this we can create the database. And how to drop the database, we can simply say drop database and database name. Like this we can say to drop the database. And how to create a table, by using create table, table name, and we can give the column name and constraints data types like that. This is how we can create the table. And for dropping the table, drop table, table name. This is how we can tell. The drop command is used for dropping the table. Now these kind of questions they won't ask. But we must know they can ask like give the SQL query for the dropping of the table and altering the table. We can use alter table, table name set is equal to. Again, now we can see alter table, table name add, or for adding means adding column with the data type, or we can change the element. We can use the set. Now we can see modify or set like this. And MySQL constraints are like it has some rules. They are the constraints in the table, like primary key, foreign key, unique key, not null, null, check. These are the constraints are having in the MySQL. Those are like these are the constraints. First one is not null. Like we can say for the not null, that we should ensure that the value, we should definitely add the value in that column, because without adding the column the query will fails. You ensure that it's not must be a null. దట్ మీన్స్ అది అనేది నల్ అనేది అవ్వకూడదు అనమాట. ఈ ఈ కన్స్ట్రైన్ అనేది నల్ అనేది అవ్వకూడదు మనకి. ఒక్క నిమిషం, నేను ఇది జస్ట్ పాపప్ పెట్టుకుంటాను. యూజర్స్ వస్తున్నారు లేదు చెక్ చేసుకోవడానికి జస్ట్. గుడ్, బాగుంది. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ చూసుకున్నాం మనం యూజర్స్ వస్తున్నారా లేదా అని. ఓకే, ఫైన్. లైక్ నాట్ నన్ ఎలా చెప్పండి, లైక్ ensure that column, that we can ensure that the column must be a not null, that must be entered any value based on the constraints. And the unique value, unique key, they can also like tell about the unique constraint. Then we can say the unique key or unique constraint that should be ensured in a particular column, that row should be all values are unique. That ensure the all values in a column are unique. That he can say in this, that ensure the all values should be unique. They must be unique. Then it is called as a unique constraint. Ensure that in a column all rows should be, all values should be unique. That's it. The primary key is a unique identifier key and not null, and we can use for a table only one primary key. And now I can say in different manner, like primary key is a unique key. A primary key is a unique identifier in a table, that in a table we must use one primary key, not more than one primary key, and the primary key must be unique and not null. Firstly we can say like unique key must be not null and unique value. In a table we can only use one primary key uh, we can use only one primary key. Yeah, this how we can saying like that, like primary key is must be not null and unique value in a column values, and we can only use one primary key for each table, like this. And the foreign key is used for referring references for the another tables, like linking that to one more than one table, it is called as a foreign key. And the check constraint is used for, we can specifying some condition that can satisfy the condition, then it will ensure that conditions. And the default, if we for default we can say, if you doesn't give any value uh, to the query, it will gives based on the default value. Yeah. And not null we can already discuss right now. For must be we can in a row, sorry, that in a column, that values must be not null, and a column that values should be added. We can see unique in a row, in a column, all elements must be unique. The primary key used for the data should be not null and unique key, that must be one only used in the constraint. Foreign key used for the referencing. Check already, we can no, yes. Now we can go with MySQL SQL. Now we can go with SQL. SQL is a relational database management system. By using SQL, we can connect with the MySQL. We can write the SQL queries in the MySQL database. And the select statement is like they can ask like how can we print the MySQL. Then we can say like that by using the select statement. Uh, by using the select statement, we can. By using the select statement we can print the statement, and we can also print the statement by using the views also. For increasing the speed we can use the indexes, and the select distinct means yeah, they can ask like by using the unique values in a particular column. We need only unique value, then we can use the distinct value. When we use the distinct, the country names all should be unique and different. Now you can see they only present the unique value, like having 21, they only print the 21. Now without using the distinct keyword, it will print the all country names like 91. Like it has the duplicates. By using the distinct keyword, it will remove the duplicate values. And the where, we can use the where class by using the filtering the records, like that we can use the where condition, sorry, where class, also called as a condition. And order by, this order by is mainly used in and asked questions. The order by is used for sorting the elements, sorting the column values. And we can use the descending order or ascending order. And the MySQL, and as like we can use in Java, Python, like we can these are the logical operators that can find in the two different conditions between. And the or as like same that, and the not also. And insert into is used for insert the data values into the database by using the insert into command. And the null values, address is null means we can also like we we doesn't add our address, it not must. And update is used for, like we can must know the query. We sometimes ask, you can write the update query, like we can use update table name set is equal to where, alter for alter table name, add a column, like that we can updating the queries, we can use add update table name set, we can changing the values. And the delete from table name, delete from table name where condition, we can use id is equal to 1, like that. And The limit we can use uh, this is used for the we need only the 10 1 to 10 numbers from the employees data. We can use the by using the limit keyword like the limit class. By using the limit we can only give the limit value based on the 10 like that. And the offset is used for the offset will escape the values from like we can use the offset 3, then it will escapes from 1 to 3, then it will gives the from 4 to we can take the 4 limit, then we can use the offset, it will comes to 4 to 6, 4 5 6 like that. This how we can print the data by using this. We take the limit 3 and the offset 3 means the limit 3 means we just need 3 rows from the table customer, and the offset 3 means we no need to we don't need the first 3 rows, the first 3 rows that for that we can use the offset. How much time is taken? It's 20 minutes. Yeah, guys, like change guys కొంచెం. And this is how the limit and offset. And the main is aggregation functions are like min, max, count, sum, average, and so on like that. And the group by everything. The min function is used for minimum getting the minimum value, the smallest. Max for maximum value. Count means we can find out the how many number of rows are having in a column, and some we can use for some of the columns, and we can use for average of the data. This is how we can use, simply use this based on the column. We must know how the query will write. They can ask, and they can ask mostly in like some they write some queries, and they'll ask on joins and normalizations. Mainly they can ask about normalizations and joins. These are like and the like operator is used for like in Java and Python we can use for a string that start with the element start with some characters or s or a like that, or we can end with some letter, some word like that. We can also having in MySQL like using the like keyword. uh, Most of the times I will say this like keyword. And by using the like we can start we can write the elements by using the start with, end with, and in a particular positions or second element, third element like that we can use the like keyword. For that when we are giving the like, we can must be give the where class where the customer name like a, that means the customer name should be start with a letter, ending with any number, any letter like that. Now we can run the code. This is how the sorry the customer name must be start with, and we can end with, we can use the this way. These are the ending values. Thus must be end with a value. Or we need any like second digit, second is second letter be a, then we can use the underscore. We can see now the second letter must be a, like that we can use the like for the center or and the second digit and the first letter, like that we can use the like keyword. And in you can use for the where condition, where class like I'm getting an issue where the country are having like in a column. I want to check some values in a column. For that we need the in column. If the column having those values or not like that, we can use this. We can use this. and the between we can use the between the two operations will be very class. And the alias we can name is alias means we can give the small name or but specific for the users as by using the it is also having in Python as like my name is Subramaniam as alias Subbu. Like that, we can give for a particular long column name. We can use the alias name. Now is having customer name. We can alias as a customer. Just the customer name as a customer person like that. Contact person, contact like that. And the main course was came the joins. In an interview, the interviewer must be asked with the joins concept. We can simply say that joins are used for the combining or combination of two or more tables that can related with the columns is called as joins. We can simply say that we can joins are used for combining the two or more tables is called as joins. They're having four types of joins like inner join, left join, right join, and full outer join. And coming to the inner join, it can returns the odd values from the sorry, the inner join that can only returns the all rows from both each common element, common column, like common column values from the both tables. This how we can say like in an inner join they can returns the all values from the matching. They can returns the all rows based on the call. We can by using the column. Okay, we can simply say the inner join will returns the all rows from the both matching tables. And coming to the left join, we can returns the all rows from the left join and the only matching rows from the right join. And from the right join we can return the all values from the right and only common matched elements from the left. For the cross join we can use all both we can return the all both table rows from the table. For that we can use this inner join. Now just we can see about the joins query. We can use for between the two tables for we need two commands for this. For the select order dot order id for using the two tables for the customer dot customer name and orders dot orders date from the table name. We can use it like select customer name dot customer id and order name dot order id and order price dot order dot order price from order table inner join. From order table inner join of from order tables to we can connect with the customer table. For that orders to customer on customer id dot customer is equal to like order dot id is equal to customer id customer id. Now now we can convert this as a combination of two like two tables from the rows. This how we can combine the table. Like we can returning the all columns based on the column based on the common columns we can give returning the all rows from the both tables. From the inner join all we can use this select order name order dot order name come customer dot customer id and we can use some other date prices on order table. And we can use the left join customer on order id is equal to like and the self join union means we can adding the both elements like uh, we are adding the two tables like uh, in a table having some three rows and is having three rows, we can combine the both tables, then we can use the union, but it doesn't allow the duplicate values. Now you can see it doesn't allow the duplicate values, but uh, in this union all it can allows the duplicates also included. It can allows duplicates also. And group by and having is used for summarizing the values, summarizing the rows by using the aggregate functions, and having also by using the group by after we can use the having keyword. And existing we can use if in a column that will be existed or not by using the where class and some of the commands, and we can use the SQL. Yes, SQL to get it. Now I want some top 10 values, then we can use the top, select top. We can simply give the value, select top, start from the customer. Is how we can use the MySQL, and tomorrow is there a live with how they can ask in interviews, and now I can come with the SDLC life cycle. Is there anyone watching? Yeah. Hi guys, this is how the SQL top command will be work by using the select top. We can use the numbers like 10, 2, 3, and we can use the hashtag from the customer or table name. And we already seen about these all. For backupping the database, we can use this command backup database name, and to disk we can use the path where we can delete it. And now we can go with the SDLC lifecycle. They're having 7 steps. Already most of the people will know. Most of the people will know about the SDLC. This is the SDLC lifecycle. Most of the interviews should be asked the SDLC lifecycle. Those are like planning, defining, designing, building, testing, and deployment. I can explain that one by one. In SDLC, having the 7 steps, not this. I can say SDLC that having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Firstly, we can use the planning and requirement, design, development, testing, deployment, and finally the maintenance part. The maintenance part also required for the software development life cycle. The first one is we can say the steps are like planning, requirement. Now we can plan for a SDLC means we can plan for a system or app and some more. We can plan, we can get the requirements based on the data, and we can design the product, and we can design the product and develop the project and test the project and deployment the project, and then we can give the maintenance to the application like app, business, or web app, and so on like that, software or anything. And they mostly ask the two methods in a SDLC lifecycle. They ask waterfall method and the agile method. Now you can see in the planning, like we can know about all these. We can plan based on the requirement. We can plan and based on the we can get the data requirement from the browser and so on, and we can design, like we can give the UI UX, and after we can develop the product, and after developing the product we can testing by using the manual testing and Selenium automation, and after we can deploy the projects by using AWS, Google Cloud, and so on. And we can go with the testing maintenance part after completion of the project or testing. Based on the traffic, it may comes like some fluctuations, some errors, then we can modify it, and these are like the maintenance part. And mostly asked about the, now you can see already the maintenance part activities. Now the mostly asked in interviews are like agile method and the waterfall model. Now I can search for waterfall model. So, waterfall model in software and agile method in software. These two are most asked interview questions. What are the steps of waterfall model? This how they can ask in the waterfall model, that can the approach should be the step by step. Those are like requirement analysis, designing, requirement analysis, designing, development, testing, deployment, and maintenance. It can review the problem statement in this, in the waterfall model. No need of problem statement. We can getting the requirement analysis and design, development, testing, deployment, and maintenance. It is like the step by step process. It is a step by step process, as it can follow the linear structure approach, as like we can see in the SDLC lifecycle. Requirement means based on, we can get the requirement based on the project, and we can using the UI UX we can design the project, and by using the coding we can develop the application, and after the application we can test the model, and we can deploy the project after the testing, and we can give the maintenance for the application. Yeah, this is how the waterfall model will be works in the designing phase, having high level design and the low level design. And normally deployment we can use the testing, normal manual testing and Selenium automation. This how the waterfall model will be works, and this is the most used for the software development life cycle models. And the present is using the agile method for the fast deployment. We can use this application, this agile model for the fast rotational models. This is how the agile model will works: gathering information, designing and construction, testing, deployment, and feedback. After that, we can and regenerating like this. This is how the agile method will works. Now I can say the agile method is an iterative model for the software development model. It is a iterative model, like you can see in the loop. This is the iterative model we can use for the software fast development. Those are like planning. Now we can requirement elements like planning, like development, testing, review, release, and next spin. We can see like first we can having like planning, development, testing, and review and release, and we can go for the next phase. Like next sprint means we can repeat the agile model for the fast development. What are the steps means: planning, design, testing, review, and releasing the model, and we can go to the next sprint. uh, the features of the agile model or it is the iterative model, and it has small releases we can use for the small releases and continuous feedback and frequency. It can use for the small developments like startups. We can use for the startups. Yeah, this can use for the startups. And the waterfall model are having features like the sequential for process, like it can follow the linear sequential order, and it has the fixed requirement. There is no other changes in a requirement. One the requirement will be fixed, there is no changes in the requirement in the waterfall model. It is simple and easy and documentation focused. But the agile model is focusing on iterative model, and it can the agile model is for the loss, the big data. And now we can see the difference between agile and the waterfall model. These two differences we can see now. The waterfall we can see it is a sequential linear model it can follows. The agile model will follows the iterative model, and it has the requirements fixed requirement, and the we can add the after developing the requirements also. And and testing at the end we can test at the continuous testing, like we can iterating the model with the continuous development. For that this is the testing will always, this is user for after completing the development we can only test once, and the customer interaction will be less ఉంటుంది. We can use a less customer interaction, and it is used for the more like more customer interactions. And for this having changes will be very difficult, because we can follow after completing the maintenance we can go to the requirement, and after we can design and deploy testing and deployment and maintenance. This will be very difficult for changing. And in agile model we can repeating this model for that we can having very changes. And for the waterfall model, it takes some time for the project development, but the agile model we can give the very fastly. This is how the software development life cycle they can ask some of the questions from the agile and waterfall model. And we can how much the 42 minutes was stream was completed. Now we can go with the operating system. This operating system having two threads. Yeah, voice interview questions. Voice interview questions based on the thread and process. Based on these two only, they will ask, and the in some of the times they will ask in interview like operating systems like thread, process, and the memory management. These three interview they will ask like this. Those are operating system. You can already know it is a software that can act as interface between hardware and user. You can already know our operating system is an software that can behave that can interface. It is a interface between the user and the hardware. ఎలా అంటే హార్డ్వేర్కి సాఫ్ట్వేర్కి మధ్యన ఈ ఓఎస్ అనేది ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఇట్ ఈస్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్. ఇట్ కెన్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ బిట్వీన్ ద యూజర్ అండ్ ద హార్డ్వేర్. And the function of the OS means functions. It can use it for the it can manages the like the OS can manages all things. Without OS, the system will not work. The hardware it can manage, software, memory management, and files and processes. These you can manage by the operating system. It has like process management, memory management, file management, device management, and security management. These are the five and the different types of operating systems like Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, Unix, Chrome, iOS, and so on. They're having like the process management, memory management, junction management, file management, and the security like that. Now we can go with the what is the process and process table. Uh, like process is instance of a program in execution. Like we can say like as like object instance of a class is called as object as like that. Instance of a program is execution as a process. Now we can say a process is a program in execution. Like it is a process in execution. While we can execute the program, the process will be there in a process of execution. It is a process of execution which can deals with creating, scheduling the process for efficiently for using the CPU smoothly. And this is how the table of the process is a program in a execution. Like we can take like example as a C program. When we are running the program in a program that must be having the process. That is the while execution there is a process. This is the process of the execution, and there have the life cycle of the process means for creating the thread and ready the thread and running, wait, and terminated. These are the five steps that are having in the process life cycle. Like process is a thread, not an others thing. Process is a thread. Sorry, sorry. Process is not thread. 1 minute. Process is a uh, program in a execution. Process is a program in a execution. It can deals with creating, scheduling the process in the smooth performance. You can use for yeah. We can say that's how we can say process is a program in an execution. Yeah, process is a program in execution that can use it for creating, scheduling the program, and you can use for smooth utilization of the programs. And we having the process life cycle is creating the process and ready the process, like creating the new process, creating the process, ready the process, and running the process, terminate the process, and exit the process. These are the five steps are having in the process. One is the creating the process. We can ready the process, like creating, initializing the process, like initializing, like creating, and giving the value, like means reading the process and running the process, and waiting or terminated or blocking the process. And after that we can like remove the process structure should be the static, that stack, and the heap memory. Between these we can store the values. Like now you can see this how they can works. And now we can go with the thread. The process is completed. Process is a program of an execution. We can use it to create the process. We can use it for creating and scheduling, and for the smooth handling of the performance of the CPU. And they're having like process for that new so creation, uh, creation, creation, ready, running, terminate, and exit. Operating system is an interface. It is a software that interface between hardware and software. It can manage the hardware, software, memory management, and so on like that. And having like a process is a program of an execution. It can use it for creating, scheduling, and so on for a smooth handling of the CPU. It can having some process like creating, readying, running, terminating, and exit. Converting and exit. And coming to the thread. Now we can coming to the thread. Thread is a single sequential order type. It is a single sequential order type that can use in the thread. Thread is the smallest unit of an execution. Like now we can previously search about the process means process is an execution in the program. Now the thread is a smallest part of an execution. Process means we can take example as a Python program. For the throughout the execution, the process should be the process, and in this process, having some creating the threads in Java, we can know about the Java programming. The threads are used for creating the we can run the multiple threads at a time like a serial manner. We can execute the multiple threads in a single time. We can having in Java concepts. Now thread is a small like a small unit of an execution inside the process. Like ఇదేంటంటే ఒక ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ పార్ట్ లో ప్రాసెస్ లో ఉంటుందన్నమాట. And it is a unique queue. 1 minute, I will come. Or minute, you can just see I can come. Yeah, I can. Right. Now we can see about the threads. Now we can say it is a single sequential, like single sequential. It is a small part of an execution on the process of thread, process inside the process, and it is the unique queue of the thread, unique queue to the thread shared within the process. And we can also have in deadlock and memory management this, that we can see later. Now we can go with the computer network concept in this. That's also they can ask in the interview. I can go with computer, see an interview questions, commonly asks in interview questions. And CN means computer networks. The in most of the interviews they can ask the computer network questions only. They are like now you can see. గైస్ లైక్ చేయండి గైస్, చాలా మంది చూస్తున్నారు లైక్ చేయట్లేదు. లైక్ చేయండి గైస్, కొంచెం సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. ఇంకెవరైతే మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయలేదో సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అండ్ మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కానీ షేర్ చేయండి. లైక్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి గైస్. మనం కంటెంట్ మాత్రం మంచిగా ఇస్తున్నాం అనమాట. ఇంకా ఎవరైతే మన ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయలేదో సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. లైవ్లో కొంచెం లైక్స్ చేయండి గైస్. కొంచెం 3 లైక్స్ అయినాయి కానీ చాలా మంది చూసారు అనమాట. వెయిట్ గైస్, now I can show you. 9 people are watching, but only 3 likes, guys. Like chain, guys. 77 people are viewed. The current viewers are 6 people, but only 3 likes. Like chain, guys. ఎవరైతే వీడియోని చూస్తున్నారో ఖచ్చితంగా లైక్ అనేది ఒక లైక్ అని చేసుకోండి, గైస్. లైక్ చేస్తే ఏం కాదండి. అండ్ ఇంకా ఎవరైతే మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయలేదో సబ్స్క్రైబ్ కానీ చేయండి. సారీ గైస్, మనకి కరెంట్ అనేది పోయిందనమాట. సో దట్స్ వై ఐఎమ్ నాట్ స్టాపింగ్ ద లైవ్. ఐ కెన్ కంటిన్యూ ద లైవ్. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి గైస్ మన ఛానల్, లైక్ అని చేయండి మీరు. 3 పీపుల్ ఆర్ వాచింగ్, ఓన్లీ 3 లైక్స్ వచ్చాయి మనకి. హలో ఎవ్రీవన్. అండ్ ఈరోజు మనము మొత్తం ఏమేమి నేర్చుకున్నామంటే లైక్ జావా చూసాము. అండ్ వీ కెన్ సీ అబౌట్ ద జావా, పైథాన్, మైస్క్విల్, ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్, and SDLC life cycle. Now I can share my screen. Wait a second. Don't go. My screen. In today's concept, we can see about the computer networks and operating system. These all the now I can write this. Now we can see in today's concept we seen these topics like Python, Java. In this we can see about the oops, exceptions, and basics on both, and SQL also. Now we can go tomorrow also live on this interview questions. And we also completed the SDLC life cycle, and we can completed the operating system, and now we can came to the computer networks. This how today's topic was completed with these topics like Python, oops, exception, and basics of Python was completed like list upland, and completed the MySQL concept and completed SDL system and computer network. These all the concepts of today itself. And uh, and now we can go with the computer network concepts of what are having most asked questions. Like they can ask the OSI model and TCP/IP most asked questions like this only. And these are all having in this only. And OSI model having 7 layers. Those are application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport, network, data link, and physical layer. 1, 5, 6, 7. As like the SDLC lifecycle, there layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, and physical layer, data link layer. These are the OISI model. Most of the computer network questions they'll ask. Now you can also see OSI model having physical layer, data link layer, and routing that can used in the. Now I can show. Routing must be in the data network layer, and the transport layer also having, yeah, all these questions are in this model only. And we can say about TCP and UDP model. Application layer having like essentially you I can write a notes for this, and I can give by the tomorrow. Now the current will be off by the situation. More like discuss about, we can discuss about it. Okay. Now I can, yeah, speaker is on. Yeah, the speaker is on already. Now I can go with the physical layer. I'm like hubs and so on like that. The wiring and the data link layer, it will goes from to bottom. The data will send from the top to bottom, and normal it will go to bottom to top. The data link layer that can based on the IP address mapping, and these are by using this data link layer. And the network line having like different types of network like IP and routing. Now already I said that the routing will happen in the network layer, and the transfer layer that can transfer the hardware wires into the software by using the one system to another system, like can sending the router to the system by using the, and the presentation layer can presenting the values. And that's application layer can, based on the website, we can give them the HTTPS to be like this. Now I can go, yeah, maybe the live should be ended, or I can play something. Now we can just see the videos. I can simply play something. Wait my screen. Wait guys, 1 minute. I can come with the new video.
The answer is revealed. Party Popper, did you find the error and guess the correct program output? Comment below. For more videos like this, do like and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. Find the error in this program. There is one clue in this video. Guess the program output and comment your answer below. The answer will be revealed soon. For more quiz questions like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. The answer is revealed. Party Popper, did you find the error and guess the correct program output? Comment below. For more videos like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. Find the error in this video. Guess the program output and comment below. The answer will be revealed soon. For more quiz questions like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. The answer is revealed. Party Popper, did you find the error and guess the correct program output? Comment below. For more videos like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. Find the error in this program. There is one clue in this video. Guess the program output and comment your answer below. The answer will be revealed soon. For more quiz questions like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. Find the error in this program. There is one clue in this video. Guess the program output and comment your answer below. The answer will be revealed soon. For more quiz questions like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. Find the error in this program. There is one clue in this video. Guess the program output and comment your answer below. The answer will be revealed soon. For more quiz questions like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. The answer is revealed. Party Popper, did you find the error and guess the correct program output? Comment below. For more videos like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. Find the error in this program. There is one clue in this video. Guess the program output and comment your answer below. The answer will be revealed soon. For more quiz questions like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. The answer is revealed. Party Popper, did you find the error and guess the correct program output? Comment below. For more videos like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. Find the error in this program. There is one clue in this video. Guess the program output and comment your answer below. The answer will be revealed soon. For more quiz questions like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. The answer is revealed. Party Popper, did you find the error and guess the correct program output? Comment below. For more videos like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. Find the error in this program. There is one clue in this video. Guess the program output and comment your answer below. The answer will be revealed soon. For more quiz questions like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. Find the error in this program. There is one clue in this video. Guess the program output and comment your answer below. The answer will be revealed soon. For more quiz questions like this, do like, share, to the Code with Subbu channel. Find the error in this program. There is one clue in this video. Guess the program output and comment your answer below. The answer will be revealed soon. For more quiz questions like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. The answer is revealed. Party Popper, did you find the error and guess the correct program output? Comment below. For more videos like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. Find the error in this program. There is one clue in this video. Guess the program output and comment your answer below. The answer will be revealed soon. For more quiz questions like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. The answer is revealed. Party Popper, did you find the error and guess the correct program output? Comment below. For more videos like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. Find the error in this program. There is one clue in the program output and comment your answer below. The answer will be revealed soon. For more quiz questions like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. The answer is revealed. Party Popper, did you find the error and get the correct program output? Comment below. For more videos like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. Find the error in this program. There is one clue in this video. Guess the program output and comment your answer below. The answer will be revealed soon. For more quiz questions like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. Find the error in this program. There is one clue in this video. Guess the program output and comment your answer below. The answer will be revealed soon. For more quiz questions like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. Find the error in this program. There is one clue in this video. Guess the program output and comment your answer below. The answer will be revealed soon. For more quiz questions like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. The answer is revealed. Party Popper, did you find the error and guess the correct program output? Comment below. For more videos like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. Program. There is one clue in this video. Guess your answer below. The answer will be revealed soon. Quiz questions like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. The answer is revealed. Party Popper, did you find the error and guess the correct program output? Comment below. For more videos like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. Find the error in this program. There is one clue in this video. Guess the program output and comment your answer below. The answer will be revealed soon. For more quiz questions like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. The answer is revealed. Party Popper, did you find the error and guess the correct program output? Comment below. For more videos like this, Do like, share, subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. Find the error in this program. There is one clue in this video. Guess the program output and comment your answer below. The answer will be revealed soon. 4 more quiz questions like this. Do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. Find the error in this program. There is one clue in this video. Guess the program output and comment your answer below. The answer will be revealed soon. 4 more quiz questions like this. Do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. Find the error in this program. There is one clue in this video. Guess the program output and comment your answer below. The answer will be revealed soon. 4 more quiz questions like this. Do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. The answer is revealed. Party Popper, did you find the error and guess the correct program output? Comment below. For more videos like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. Find the error in this program. There is one clue in this video. Guess the program output and comment your answer below. The answer will be revealed soon. 4 more quiz questions like this. Do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. The answer is revealed. Party Popper, did you find the error and guess the correct program output? Comment below. For more videos like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. Find the error in this program. There is one clue in this video. Guess the program output and comment your answer below. The answer will be revealed soon. 4 more quiz questions like this. Do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. The answer is revealed. Party Popper, did you find the error and guess the correct program output? Comment below. For more videos like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the error in this program. There is one clue in this. Guess the program output and comment your answer below. The answer will be revealed soon. 4 more quiz questions like this. Do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. Find the error in this program. There is one clue in this video. Guess the program output and comment your answer below. The answer will be revealed soon. 4 more quiz questions like this. Do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. Find the error in this program. There is one clue in this video. Guess the program output and comment your answer below. The answer will be revealed soon. 4 more quiz questions like this. Do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu channel. The answer is revealed. Party Popper, did you find the error and guess the correct program output? Comment below. For more videos like this, do like, share, and subscribe to the Code with Subbu.
Now I'm sharing my screen. Now you can see. Wait a minute. Now I'm sharing my screen. Yeah. Now you can see about the React JS course fully.
ఈ వెబ్‌సైట్. ఈరోజు మనం రియాక్ట్ జేఎస్ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాము. ఈ రియాక్ట్ జేఎస్ అనేది జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ యొక్క లైబ్రరీ అనమాట. ఈ జావా స్క్రిప్ట్‌లో చాలా కోడ్ రాసే బదులు ఆల్రెడీ ప్రీ డిఫైన్ మాడ్యూల్స్ అని, ఫంక్షన్స్ అని, మెథడ్స్ అని ఇయన్నీ ప్రీ డిఫైన్‌గా ఉంటాయన్నమాట. వాటిని యూజ్ చేసుకొని మనం సింపుల్ కోడ్ అనేది చేస్తాము. ప్లస్ ఏందంటే ఇది రియాక్ట్ జేఎస్ అనేది సింగిల్ పేజ్ వెబ్‌సైట్ అనమాట. మీరు వెబ్ డిజైనింగ్‌లో నార్మల్ HTML, CSS, జావాస్క్రిప్ట్‌లో చేసినప్పుడు గానీ, లేదా పైథాన్ స్టాక్, జావా స్టాక్‌లో చేసినప్పుడు మీరు ఒక పేజ్ రీలోడ్ అవుతుందనమాట. అంటే అదే మన రియాక్ట్ జేఎస్‌లో అనుకో, ఇప్పుడు రిఫరెన్స్ అని కొట్టాను పేజ్ అనేది రీలోడ్ అవ్వదు. ఎందుకంటే సింగిల్ పేజ్ వెబ్‌సైట్ కాబట్టి. అక్కడున్న కాంపోనెంట్స్‌ని యాడ్ చేసుకునిద్దనమాట. ఇలా పేజ్ అనేది అసలు అనమాట మనకి. ఒకసారి రన్ కొట్టినా పేజ్ అనేది అసలు రీలోడ్ అవ్వట్లేదు. మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది కదా! జస్ట్ మారుతుంది. పక్కన నేమ్ అనేది వస్తుంది అంతే. ఈ కాంపోనెంట్స్ అంటే ఏమిటంటే, ప్రతిదాన్ని ఇక్కడ ఒక కాంపోనెంట్ అనమాట. లైక్ ఇదొక నావిగేషన్ అనేది ఒక కాంపోనెంట్ అంటారు. లేదా ఇదొక హోమ్ పేజ్ అనుకుంటే దీని కాంపోనెంట్ అంటారు. లేదా ఇదొకటి ఉంది వీడియో ఇదొక కాంపోనెంట్. ప్రతిదాన్ని ఒక కాంపోనెంట్ అనమాట. దీంట్లో 2 టైప్స్ ఉంటాయి. క్లాస్ కాంపోనెంట్ అని, ఫంక్షనల్ కాంపోనెంట్ అని. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఎక్కువగా ఫంక్షనల్ కాంపోనెంట్ అనేది యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఒక బేసిక్ రియాక్ట్ యాప్‌ని ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేస్తారో చూద్దాము. ప్లస్ ఈ రియాక్ట్ అనేది జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ అనేది కొంచెమన్నా రావాలి. మీరు జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ నేర్చుకుంటే ఈ వెబ్ డిజైనింగే కాకుండా రియాక్ట్ నేటివ్ అని ఒకటి ఉంటది. ఆ రియాక్ట్ నేటివ్ ఏందంటే యాప్ డెవలప్‌మెంట్‌కి చాలా బాగా ఉపయోగపడుతుందన్నమాట. ఓకే. ఇంక మనం లేట్ చేసి యాప్ అనేది ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేయాలో చూద్దాము. మీరు రియాక్ట్ జేఎస్ ప్రాజెక్ట్‌ని క్రియేట్ చేయాలంటే ఖచ్చితంగా మీరు ఈ నోడ్ జేఎస్ అనేది ఖచ్చితంగా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. ఇది లేకుండా రియాక్ట్ జేఎస్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అనేది క్రియేట్ చేయలేమనమాట. దాంట్లో ఎన్‌పిఎం కమాండ్స్ అని ఉంటాయి. లేదా ఎన్‌పిఎక్స్ కమాండ్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తారు. దానివల్ల మీరు ఈ నోడ్ జేఎస్ అనేది డౌన్‌లోడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. నేను ఆల్రెడీ డౌన్‌లోడ్ చేసుకున్నాను కాబట్టి అవసరం లేదు నాకు. మీరు జస్ట్ నోడ్ జేఎస్ డౌన్‌లోడ్ అని కొట్టి ఇది డౌన్‌లోడ్ చేసుకోండి. తర్వాత మీరు దీన్ని ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ సెటప్ పెట్టుకోవాలి. అది నేను ఒకసారి చూపిస్తాను ఇప్పుడు. ఈరోజు మన వీడియోలో రియాక్ట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేయాలో చూద్దాము. ముందర రియాక్ట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి డెస్క్‌టాప్‌లో ఫోల్డర్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోండి. ఫోల్డర్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత ఆ ఫోల్డర్‌ని వీఎస్ కోడ్‌లో ఓపెన్ చేయండి. లైక్ మీరు రియాక్ట్ అనే ఒక ఫోల్డర్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోండి డెస్క్‌టాప్‌లో. ఆ రియాక్ట్ అనే దాన్ని ఓపెన్ చేయండి. ఇలా రియాక్ట్ ఓపెన్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఇక్కడ టెర్మినల్ అని కనిపిస్తుంది. న్యూ టెర్మినల్ అని కొట్టండి. ఇక్కడ టెర్మినల్ దగ్గర మనము ఎన్‌పిఎం కమాండ్స్ యూజ్ చేయాలన్నమాట. విత్ వైట్ అనేది చెప్తాను. ఇప్పుడు రియాక్ట్ అందరూ తక్కువ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి రియాక్ట్ విత్ వైట్ చూపిస్తాను. దానికి కమాండ్ ఫస్ట్ మీరు ఎన్‌పిఎం యూనిట్ నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ నేమ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ నేమ్ ఇవ్వాలి మనం. లైక్ షాపింగ్ అని ఇస్తాను. నెక్స్ట్ మనకి ఏమైతే కావాలో లైక్ రియాక్ట్‌తో ఎలా దేంతో చేయాలని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. రియాక్ట్ అని కొడతాను. నెక్స్ట్ జావా స్క్రిప్ట్, టైప్ స్క్రిప్ట్ అనేది జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ అని కొడతాను. ఇప్పుడు మీరు మన షాపింగ్ అనే వెబ్‌సైట్‌లోకి వెళ్ళండి. సీడీ అని కొట్టి షాపింగ్ అని కొట్టండి. అంటే డైరెక్టరీ చేంజ్ అవ్వండి. నెక్స్ట్ మనం ఈ ఎన్‌పిఎం కమాండ్స్ ఇన్‌స్టాల్ చేసుకోవాలన్నమాట. ఎన్‌పిఎం ఇన్‌స్టాల్ అని కొట్టండి. మీరు ఎప్పుడు ఇన్‌స్టాల్ చేసుకోవాలంటే ఈ డైరెక్టరీ అనేది షాపింగ్‌లోకి వచ్చినప్పుడే ఆ రియాక్ట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్‌లోకి వచ్చినప్పుడే ఈ ఎన్‌పిఎం కమాండ్ యూజ్ చేయాలన్నమాట. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇన్‌స్టాల్ కొట్టంగానే ఎన్‌పిఎం కమాండ్స్ అన్నీ ఇన్‌స్టాల్ అవుతాయన్నమాట. కి అవుట్‌పుట్ అనేది వస్తుందన్నమాట. ఇప్పుడు ఈ కమాండ్స్ ద్వారా ఇక్కడ నోడ్ మాడ్యూల్స్ గాని ఫోల్డర్ స్ట్రక్చర్ గాని వచ్చేస్తుంది. చూసారా? ఇప్పుడు నోడ్ మాడ్యూల్స్ అన్నీ వచ్చేసాయన్నమాట. నెక్స్ట్ ఇప్పుడు రన్ చేద్దాము. వన్ సెకండ్. ఇప్పుడు ఎన్పిఎం మనం రన్ చేయాలంటే ఎన్పిఎం రన్ డెవ్ అని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఇక్కడ యూఆర్ఎల్ వస్తుంది డైరెక్ట్. మనం కంట్రోల్ పట్టుకొని క్లిక్ చేస్తే డైరెక్ట్గా అవుట్పుట్ వచ్చేస్తుంది అనమాట.
హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, ఈరోజు మన వీడియోలో రియాక్ట్ చేసి ఫోల్డర్ స్ట్రక్చర్ గురించి తెలుసుకున్నాము. ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేసాలో చూసాము. ఇప్పుడు ఫోల్డర్ స్ట్రక్చర్ గురించి తెలుసుకున్నాము. ఈ షాపింగ్ అనేది మన రియాక్ట్ యాప్ నేమ్ అనమాట. ఇది ఒకసారి ఓపెన్ చేద్దాము. ఇప్పుడు ఓపెన్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇవన్నీ కనిపిస్తున్నాయి కదా, నోట్ మాడ్యూల్స్, పబ్లిక్, ఎస్ఆర్సి అన్ని. ఇప్పుడు నోట్ మాడ్యూల్స్ గురించి తెలుసుకున్నాము.
గైస్
నోట్ మాడ్యూల్స్ ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తారంటే మనం ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ రన్ చేయటానికి కానీ, లేదా మనం రాసే కోడ్ ని క్రోమ్ కి అర్థమయ్యేటట్టు
1 minute guys, I'll be back in 1 minute. ఆల్రెడీ మన షార్ట్ వీడియో లైవ్ నడుస్తుంది, కాంటే ఒకసారి చెక్అవుట్ చేయండి. వన్ మినిట్గా వచ్చేస్తాను. 1 minute గైస్. One minute guys, I'm coming. Okay, guys, I'm coming to the live. Now we can discuss about the. Yeah, wait. Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel Code with Subbu. ఈరోజు ఆల్రెడీ మనం చాలా కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అనేవి కవర్ చేసాము. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు కరెంట్ వచ్చేసింది అన్నమాట మాకు. అండ్ నౌ ఇట్స్ టైమ్ ఫర్ ఛార్జింగ్ టు చార్జ్ మై ల్యాప్టాప్. I want to improve my communication based on some requirement of the job. So I'm going to live this sessions in only English. Yes, that's it. Not more than that. Can I? Yeah, now we can go with some of. I am sharing my screen. The DVMS was completed. Now I'm sharing my screen. ఈజ్ దిస్ స్క్రీన్ విజిబుల్? ఒకసారి మీరు లైవ్ చాట్లో మెసేజ్ చేయండి, స్క్రీన్ విజిబుల్ అవుతుందో లేదో. అందరూ ఒకసారి లైవ్ చాట్లో హాయ్ అని మెసేజ్ పెట్టండి. మీకు స్క్రీన్ విజిబుల్ అవుతుందో లేదో నేను ఒకసారి చెక్అవుట్ చేస్తాను అనమాట. ఒక్కసారి అందరూ లైవ్ చాట్లో హాయ్ అని మెసేజ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, దెన్ వీ కెన్ స్టార్ట్ విత్ ద న్యూ వన్. Hey everyone, we can start with the completed C, Java, and Python also. MySQL also completed. Now we can go with for some of the MCQs based on some of requirements. I can get those things. Wait a minute. These are the requirements for this, and this is the requirements. Now I can share my screen and give some of the MCQ for the technical first round of the online assessment for any company. They can ask about the technical MCQs. Now we can see about those technical MCQs. Yes, you can simply go with ChatGPT, and they're having some concepts like in technical assessments based on the computer science and DSCA. Now I can simply go with ask for give some questions on the MNC company first round online assessment. 1 minute. online assessment based on the CS concept and the DSA and DBMS. Yeah, maybe. Oops. Based on these four concepts only, most of the companies' first round will be conducted. Those concepts like OOPS, DBMS, DSA, and CS concepts are OAS, computer networks, SDLC like that. Give MCQs with answers around 100. Now we can check out those questions with answers that can, yeah, now it will generate around 100 MCQs for a first round that can focusing on the MNCs. Now this is how they can give the messages. Now you can see in this, these are the topics that we have what we learn in this. Those are like in first round they might be having aptitude, having 20 questions in English comprehension, MCQs, and with the coding questions. This was completed. Now we can go, and it and also ask the some of the companies will ask the to coding questions in the technical first round. Sorry, it's in technical assessments of the first round in online assessment, and in TR round that we can talk in later in tomorrow's session. Now we can go with the flow. Okay, now we can go with the technical MCQs from start to end. We can solve these and we can go to the some of the coding questions. Yeah, now okay, is this fine? Yeah, maybe based on these questions. some basic disturbance. Okay, now we can go with the online assessment first round MCQs on technical on computer basics like computer networks, operating system, and object oriented programming language and programming, DBMS. Yeah, mm, this how they can ask. And yeah, these are the topics that can ask by the interviews. And this is the second one. I can show you. This is the second one. And this is the actual one. They can ask in that. And this is also one of the session. Now we can go with the flow based on the questions. Now you can see. Yeah, is my screen is sharing? Yeah, that's good. Now I can go with the DSA, DBMS, OOPS, and computer fundamental questions. Just see about the fundamental questions in this. Now we can talk it later about that. The time is 6:38. Now we can see the first question is which data structure follows the FIFO. FIFO means queue. It can follow the structure of first in first out, not stack. It can follow the state queue. And which data structure follows the LIFO means we can know the linear structure, that is a stack. Wait a second, you just say about these questions and I come later. చెప్పురా ఇంట్లోనే వస్తా స్టార్ట్ అవుతారు వస్తా నేను చెప్పాను మళ్ళీ వస్తాను అదేదో ఉన్నా వస్తాను లైవ్ లో yeah, I have less time. I'm coming, and we can start right now. Okay. Yeah. Now I want to see how many people are seeing my. It's around 200. I am happy. No, it's around 150. Not bad. It's good. Now within a 10 minutes I can stop my live. It's around 147. I can stop with 2 hours. I can go for technical MCQs. And the third question is what is the worst case time complexity in binary search means n log n. Okay, you can go with n log n. Means normally the binary search will goes with log n, the normal case of. And binary search works on the sorted array. It can work on why means without the sorted array, the binary search doesn't works. We can already see some of the examples like that. And the unsorted array, that means a linear search will works on that. And the time complexity of linear search means order of n. Yeah, linear search means you can go with the one by one way, like having like n numbers. It will check the one by one. The binary search based on the sorting, you can divide into two parts like that. The faster algorithm on average means which the quick sort. That means quicksort. We can see faster. On average, it will quicksort will be divided into two parts like that. We can simply now we can see like this. We can see and find out the answers. Okay, which sorting algorithm is stable? Sorting algorithm is stable means med sort. Yeah, now I can. Yeah. Okay. Now I can simply go like this. Is this good for us? And what is the okay? This question was completed, and this is the merge sort for the best stable means merge sort. And which data structure is recursion means not heap. Those are like it's not queue stack. These are graphs. Okay, fine. Recursion stack. Recursion stack. Last. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The stack will fall as last in first out. Yeah. The recursion will comes last like that. Yeah, correct. And in max heap, parent node is greater than the child. Yeah, greater than the child. Correct answer. And which traversal goes the sorted at BSFS? Post, sorry, BST means maybe I think so. Post in order. Yeah, correct. In order is correct. And wait a minute, I can go with the pop-up. Okay, not a problem. We can go with this in order. Okay. Highest balance BST means order of n square. Sorry, order of log n. Correct. Which data use hashing means hash tables. Collision occurs in not queue stack. In trees hashing. Yeah, it can occurs in hashing. Wait, I can. Mic was on only. And which algorithm finds the shortest path means discross or BFS. Discross, yes. Discross algorithms is the shortest path for the mapping. BFS used for the trees. Sorry, queues. Best first. Yeah, we can use in queues. DFS for stack. Yeah, BFS for stack. The DFS best first set use can use for queues, BQ, and it's for stacks. Yeah, I can know one another thing. And complexity of merge sort is order of n log n. Which sorting algorithm swaps the adjacent values means merge sort. Sorry, bubbles adjacent bubble sort. It's normally sorting, right? Okay, then bubble sort. Best case of a bubble sort means order of one n sorting. Yeah, sorting means order of n. Which data structure supports the priority scheduling means priority queues. Oh, okay, don't know. Which traversal visits the route first? Pre-order. Yes, correct. Uh, what is the complex of insertion at the middle order of one n? Uh, which graph traversal is used for the shortest path in unweighted graph? Maybe I don't know. In BFS, okay, fine. Stack overflow occurs in stack full, correct? And Q underflow occurs in Q empty. Yes, correct. Non-linear data structure means trace. Definitely, this basic question. Which algorithm divided and conquer merge sort? Yeah, I know. Which time the time complex of accessing an array? Accessing an array means order of one. Yeah, correct. Linked insertion at beginning. Insertion. Accessing wait. Insertion one order of one. The correct. Which travels is as a queue. Queue to be a first. Insert in order. Global order. Okay, fine. DFS linked list data structures. Dynamically, yeah, dynamically, not strings matrix. Which sorting is minimum repeatedly used for me? It's selection sort. Data structures, nodes and pointers. Linked list. Yeah, we can nodes and pointers are in linked list only. Okay, fine. Okay. Complexity of relation from stack is order of one. Yeah, that's good. DBMS stand for we already know database management system. Is anyone is seeing? No one is seeing right now. Okay, 152 people. Okay, then I can go with another question. What is the unique key in a row that can primary key? You can definitely know. Which key contains table one connects foreign key? Yes, B correct answer. SQL stand for structured query language. The first option is correct. And which SQL command retrieves the data? Select commands are C. Remove all rows from all rows by using the truncate B. Yes, correct. Matching all only rows. The inner join option C. I know correct. This is the C option correct. And normalization using data redundancy key. Answer is B. I know that is also correct option. Yes, correct. Normalization, first normalization used for removing duplicate rows. The answer is D. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Yeah, DVM started. One M removes the data repetition of group. Yeah, correctly. Normalization. Okay, we'll leave it. We can go with the 46. Now, in normal forms, removes the transsector difference in transfer difference in 3NF or BCNF. Yeah, 3NF. Correct answer. And ACID properties are A for atomicity. Answer is B. Yeah, we can simply already we know about this. 3NF. And I say atomicity. Commit stand for save the temporary. B. Yes, correct. Rollback for save changes like undo. B. Transaction correct. Which class user for filtering rows? Where C correct. Which class sorted the order by? Correct. Aggregate function examples are count. A correct. Key null. C foreign key correct. like B group by deletes the database object, dropping, direct dropping. And now we can go with oops, object oriented programming. Option A, hides the data means hiding hides data means abstraction, sorry, encapsulation, which means interfaces many forms means polymorphism. C, correct. Reuse inheritance. A, class is a blueprint of an object. B, object is instance of a class. A, constructor is an initializing object. B, correct. Any correct. Method overloading. Option A, overriding. Option A, runtime polymorphism. Overriding. Option B, compile time polymorphism. Method overloading. Option B, which keyword using for refers the current means this keyword. B, parent class using the superclass. B, child class used for the base derived. Match which access modifier is most restrictive? Private. C, again, abstraction means hiding implementation. A, I know, bro. Encapsulation means data handling plus binding. Option A, inheritance supports multiple inheritance by yes. Java interfaces. Deconstructor means cleaning up. Cleaning up, correct. Object is in creation for a constructor. Yeah, completed. If now we can go with the CS fundamentals like computer networks. OS means operating system. Option B, operating system means hmm, what? Which operating system? Which is an Python? Linux. Option B, CPU scheduling decided based on the processing execution order. Correct. Which scheduling gives the minimum average waiting time? I don't know, maybe round robin. Sorry, SJF, and I don't know. Deadlock occurs in processing of weight. Yeah, good, correct. Robin, the user for time quantum. Yes, correct. RAM is volatile memory. B, correct. ROM is random access memory, read only memory. A. Uh, which protocol web application means HTTP? Be correct. SMTP for sending mails. Option B, correct. IP means Internet Protocol. Option A, correct. HWS networking means which devices connect the networks? Networks. Router. Yes, correct. DNS converts into తెలియదు నాకు IP address. Okay, fine. I can. Which layer handles the routing? Routing అంటే network layer. B, correct. TCP is reliable, wireless, reliable అంట. UDP connection oriented. ఓకే గైస్, ఇంతటితో మన లైవ్ క్లోజ్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. నా వీ కెన్ గో విత్ ఇంతే. థ్యాంక్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ గైస్. బై బాయ్, గుడ్ బై గయ్యా.